This fact video has got over 50 million views in 6 months. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI. My plan to automate the entire creative process as a cash cow channel from scripting to visuals to voiceovers. I mean, overall everything with AI. I got this idea while I was scrolling on YouTube. I looked for channel automation ideas. Then I found this channel, which is about short stories for motivation. After doing some research, I found the daily to yearly income of this channel, which you can see on your screen. Let's go for it. Okay, our channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT for 50 YouTube channel names related to Facts channel. There are so many to choose from. Fact Flair. I kind of like this one. Next up, our profile picture. I'm going to use Canva, a free graphics design, website and app. Find a good profile picture. I think this one is appropriate for my channel. And to finish up the branding, we need a banner for this. I am also using Canva to create a banner. Okay, the channel branding is all done by AI. Now the real challenge is making the videos. So the first step for you is to target a specific group of people. For me, I want to target someone who has interest in different types of facts. So I came to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some video fact ideas for a YouTube video with. As you can see, ChatGPT will give you some ideas. I like this because it's a very interesting idea that we can start with. Now that we have a video idea, we can ask ChatGPT to write a proper video script on it. So once it's done writing the script, all you have to do is just copy the script. And the next step is to create the voice. Go to 11 Labs. I'm going to use this tool because it's free and it's using advanced AI technology to generate voices that sound like a real person. All you have to do is paste the script that you have created using ChatGPT and then select whatever voice you want. Once you have selected your voice, click here and download the audio. Once it's done downloading, just go to Pictory AI and create a free account. If you already have an account, just click on login and then click on this one. Edit videos using text. Now upload the audio that you have just downloaded from 11 Labs. Click on proceed and it's going to take a little time. Click on customize video. Now you can see that AI has already written the subtitles. All you have to do is click on visuals and search for whatever scene you want in your video. You can find copyright-free video on Pixabay and paste it into the editor. Once you've selected your scene, click on generate video. Alright, I think this is gonna work. Now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. So for that, you need to come to Canva. I'll put all the links in the description and just simply click on YouTube thumbnail. You can find variety of free YouTube thumbnail template. Use the right one for your video and download the thumbnail from here. Now to upload the video, we need a title and description. For that, paste the script and ask ChatGPT to generate the title and description. And boom, everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail and publish the video. And congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.